First question for all the beginner trader is where to start Elliott wave theory. What is the number one source to learn? Which book is best? What are the rules? Does this theory work or not? The number one and original source for Elliott wave theory is elliottwave.com. This is the official site of Elliott Wave International. When you go home page of the site and click educational section, then click on books, then you will see all of the books. The first book, Elliott Wave Principle Key to Market Behavior by Robert Prechter. This is the official book for Elliott Wave theory, and this is the most popular and this is the best book. Every person in the world learn and teach from this only book. It was written by Robert Prechter, and this company was made by him. There are many books, but this one is best and it has everything you need to know for Elliott wave theory. This was final version of Elliott wave theory. There is a one more book, Visual Guide to Elliott wave theory by Jeffrey Kennedy. The difference between these two books is the first one give you line chart, but this visual guide give you candlestick example. Both are same and concept is same, but this one has candlestick example, the exact same chart that you saw in TradingView and exact same you will see in this book. This book is expensive, so at least one time you should read this book. And what is the special about this blue book, Elliott wave principle key to market behavior? When you click on this section resource, it have free Elliott wave principle. When you click on this link, you will get this official book for free. Entire book is available for free. You can read book here. You don't have to pay any money. But there are two types of people who are reader who read 100 books in 1 year. Some read 50 books, or some read 2 or 3 books in their lifetime. So how to read this book? If you are completely new and beginner to Elliott wave and trading, then you can read this book from page to page, but you will learn nothing. So for beginner, I will recommend you will go to first page, the broader concept. When you click continue to next, ignore all the text. Whenever you see image, just right click on it and then click save image and save all of the image in your device, all of this image. If your English is weak and your reading habit is weak, you cannot read book, then this one is for you. The click all this image. Keep doing until you reach the last page of this book and save all of this image. If you go to section 1 introduction, then go to corrective wave, then this page has all the image flat correction, zigzag correction, triangle correction. And this is the official image for triangle correction for Elliott wave theory. And you can see this book have line chart example, but you trade candlestick. That is why I recommended you to read that Jeffrey Kennedy books at least for one time. So beginner save all of this image, then go to section 2 motive waves and click at a summary of rules and guidelines for waves. And your rules start from here, and this page has all the rules that you will need to learn for Elliott wave theory. You read complete book or not, but you have to read this page and you have to remember all of these rules. Cram all of this rule, and this rule should locked in your brain. You should remember all of this rule all the times. If you read entire book, save all the image, but if you do not remember all of this rule, then nothing will work for you, because intraday trading will never give you time to think. So you have to cram all of these rules, and these are only rules for Elliott wave theory. For reader, read entire books, and for beginner, save images and cram all these rules. After you have done that, when you search Elliott wave count anywhere on internet, YouTube, Instagram, TradingView, you will get thousands of example. Just watch the image and remember all of this rule in your head, and try to learn or this wave count are right or wrong, and how trader have made his wave count, because you can get thousands of wave count example for free on internet. You do not have to pay for book, you do not have to pay for real life example. All you need some times and focus. If you take this example, when we say this wave count for gold, when gold made top at 1998, it has 5 impulsive wave with extension in third wave. Wave 3 was further subdivided into 5 wave. So you do not need to count complete trend from 1890. You can start counting the last wave, and still you can get top and get a big trading opportunity. But for that you have to remember all of this rule all the times, and all this image which you will save from that digital book should be saved in your device. You will have to watch those images multiple times and remember those rules all the times. If you take example for billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones and check his Wikipedia profile, then one of his famous trade 1987 Black Monday, he tripled his money when market were crashing and everyone was losing money, because he believed in Elliott wave theory and Robert Prechter predicted market top. He is one of those billionaires who trade based on technical and Elliott wave theory when there was no iPhone, YouTube, but he used Elliott wave. And this is his famous 1987 documentary where he's reading his Elliott wave count. So back to our main point, the ElliotWave.com. This is the official source for Elliott wave theory, and this blue book, Elliott wave principle key to market behavior by Robert Prechter. This is the only book to learn Elliott wave. Everyone use this book, and it is available for free. After you have done these two things, saving all of this image in your device, and you have to remember all of this image like you remember face of celebrity, and cram all of these rules. After this we will start making video to explain how these rules work and what is the limit of this book and these rules, and how to trade Elliott wave theory. And if you see real life example of these rules Elliott wave theory, then our this last trade which we recommended sell entry at 1997 and first TP 63 and 1950, and this previous trade when gold price made top near 1880. These two trade has exact same strategy, same concept, ABC corrective wave, and we have already explained this strategy in detail, how to use fib retracement and extension tool, where to enter, where to exit, and how to trade using these two tools together. So first video on Elliott wave theory is already uploaded. This is the second. After your feedback, I will start making video so you can learn Elliott wave theory from zero to complete mastery. Because if you take example of this simple image, the variation of Elliott wave triangle, it looks like a simple image, but in trading market does not make exact same triangle. There always be difference, and where to enter, where to exit, you have to learn everything, because it have shown ABCD lines, but this book has not told you where to enter, where to exit, where should be your TP and SL. So this is the limit of this book. So after you have done these two things, saving image, cramming all of this rule, we will start making video for next level.